Hindi lang sa kapwa, abuser pati sa sarili. I'll teach you something. Recently, I went to our doctor. Everybody knows here Pastor Tanchi, right? Peter Tanchi of CCI, Christ Commission Fellowship. Her daughter, Caroline Pedro, married to a Pedro who owns the text. Recently, we went to her and had a check-up. Sabi na, the best way to live is vegetables, protein, carbohydrates, and then fruits. Okay? Ulitin natin. And sometimes it's, totoo lang, I mean, just kasi Pilipino ako, di ba? Pag kumain tayo, anin, sama-sama lahat. But, my mind says, I have to do this because I love my wife. I have to take care of my wife. Even if I'm already 65, I have to be strong. So I started exercising every morning. Nililis ako, nilistahan ako. And last night we had a game. Music making at 2 years. First time in 10 years, nalagyan kami na hindi ako napagod. When I woke up, I was so fresh. I was there. I was so fresh. Hindi ako napagod. Kasi nag-exercise kami. What am I talking about? Sometimes we abuse ourselves. I regret that I'm only learning this now. So, nagpapalit ako ng paraan ng pagkain. Nagmari, inuuna ko yung protein foods. So, what I do is I drink vegetable smoothie in the morning. I take light lunch. Hindi ako nag-merienda. Very, very seldom that unless binibigyan ako ng mga bata ng biscuit. Okay? And then, sa gabi, fruit smoothie. So, when ko yung ginagawa ko, I'm saying this, I don't want to abuse my body anymore. Sometimes yung abuso ko, naiisip lang natin yung ginagawa natin sa kapwa natin. Pero hindi eh. This is the temple of the Holy Spirit. We should not abuse it. Diba? Dati mo rin kasi akong manginginom, wala akong pakialam. Kung tumumba ako, kung ako pa-okay, whatever. Basta makainom naman ako. But now it's different. So all this I would attribute to the mind of Christ that is at work in me. And it's also at work in you. If you can just stop a while and think, wait, what am I doing? Isip ko, I have the mind of Christ. Why am I doing this to myself? Why am I doing this to others? Although we have been warned by Paul, we should always think, this is a warning, this will happen, but how do we respond? We respond with the mind of Christ. Next, disobedient to their parents. People will be disobedient to their parents. That's why for the longest time I've been telling you, honor your father and your mother, that everything may be well with you and that you will have a long life. That's the key of having a good life. And long, honor your father and your mother. For those of us who have honored our parents, I assure you, you will have a good life. It's not about money. Money will come. Our Father in heaven owns heaven and earth. There has to be a shift of way of thinking. If we believe that we are children of God, we depend on our Father. There has to be a shift. Kailangan magbago the way we think, or else nagpalit lang tayo ng lugar ng pagsamba at hindi mapalitan ang ating isipan. If you're from a Catholic church, lumipat ka lang dito. If you're from another church, lumipat ka lang dito. Wala, magbabago. Walang napalitan. But if you always do what you always done, you always get what you always got. It's the same thing. It's the same. Even in playing music, you know, pag di ka nag-aral ng ibang kanta, you be playing the same music, magsasawa ka ng kanta. Ako magsasawa ako pag walang pagbabago. Totoo lang. Nakita niyo yung maliit na basketball. I love it. I love it. Pag hinihintay ko si ate na naglalaro kang Roland, Marvin, Mark, and the kids play. Is he Jen here? Lalaro ba tayo bukas? Ha? Kaya mo na maglaro. Natalisod ko kasi siya. So I want to play with the kids. And for me, it's beneficial because it's already exercise for me at my age. Gusto nyo mag-darts? Ganda rin mag-darts ko. I was thinking of lalagyan ko ng Amandang pronunciation ko with foosball. Foosball. Alam niyo yung parang hockey, ay, parang softball, ginagawa mo. Gusto ko lagyan ng gano'n. And iniisip ko rin lalagyan ko isa pang basketball ko, kung bumabalik yung mga score. Tinatanong kay Marvin kung pwedeng i-extend ito, yung kapal. Why? I want to teach children to play football preso. Patintero, Chaco, ano pa? One place. Ang tawag na natin, let's utilize the place. Sayang. We don't know when we're going to be here, but while we're here, let's make good use of this place. Diba? So, kami mo, umalis-alis ka. Some people are ungrateful. Hindi nila nakikita yung grace, ang nakikita lang nila, yung love nila sa sarili nila. When that happens, you won't see the grace of God. You won't thank God, or you won't thank anyone for anything because you're focused on what you're going through. Instead of focusing on God. And I have met some people who are like this. Hindi man lang sila makapagsabi ng thank you. They always focus on the present situation, hindi nila kita ang ginawa sa kanila, nangyari sa kanila. Some people are heartless, slanderous, without self-control, brutal, not loving good, treacherous, reckless, swollen with conceit, namamagat na. Lovers of pleasure rather than lovers of God, having the appearance of godliness but denying its power. Ang sabi dito, avoid such people. Okay? Huwag kayong makihalubilo sa ganitong mga tao. Sa araw na ito, hindi ko really disagree. Kasi mabigat tong kumanda. Avoid such people. Mamili ko tayo ng kaibigan. Mamili tayo ng sasamahan. Now, with that situation right now, lalo na sa Senado, sa gobyerno, or sa local government unit, marami mo tayong nakikita na dininig na injustice. Tama ba ako? Kahit sa homeowners association, meron corruption, di ba? Oh. Dami. Basta meron posisyon, may corruption. So, paalala lang po sa lahat ng mga magulang, don't drive your children to do what you want them to do. Bribery starts at home. Ano? Bibigyan kita ng cellphone, ang tawag ng magulang. So, yung isip ng bata, hindi nakatuon sa benepisyo ng pag-aaral. Nakatuon saan? Ay, pwede ba ako mag-advance? Pwede ba? Anyway, mag-graduate na ako next year. Pwede ba mag-advance mo na ito? Ang pag-iisipan ko. Sorry po, ba't ang mga bata? I'm sorry to say this there. Bata, and yes, Not unless they have gotten out and we have win them from that corrupted way of thinking. Sila ho ay manipulative. They will get whatever they want. At kilala nila kung paano kumilos ang kanilang mga magulang. Nakahalo nila. At tatanong ng mga bata. Umiyak sila, alam nila kung ba't umiyak sila, makukuha nila yung gusto nila. Pag nagtagog sila, makukuha nila yung gusto nila. Na-experience nila ba ito, parents? Hindi lang sa mga bata, kahit sa matatanda na. Di ba? Kahit matanda na eh. Kung napagalitan mo, mawawala. No, when somebody tells you something and it's against your attitude, accept it. Find truth in what people tell you, especially those who love you. Hindi ang ako? Kasi people who love you would like to correct. I have had my share, even up to now. The most person that always corrects me is my wife. And I listen to her. There are times, masakit. Masakit mapagsabihan, tama? Kaysa din lalaki, tama? Private. Pero mas mabuti na marinig natin para malaman natin kung ano yung pwede natin ipagbago. Well, ito pag-gawin na. Hindi sila nakikinig. Wala silang pinakikinggan. Meron nga akong job sa ministry. Okay? If there's a ministry, and there are 11 Filipinos, if there's one organization, okay, and there are 11 Filipinos, there will be, how is that? Basta, kung meron church, tapos ang ministry nila ay 10, tapos 11 yung tao, nakakaasa ka, magkakaroon ng 11 ministries. Parang 10 lang yung required, magkakaroon ng 11. Because somebody would want to do something because he thinks that's good. So, wala nang submission. Wala nang submission. Maybe, everything. And we have to address this because everything starts in the family. Do you agree? Where did our politicians come from? Family. They were taught that way. When my uncles and my father, they think this way. Not until we knew Jesus, we think this way. Collect and select, that was taught to me by my uncle. Kapatid ni mami lang turo sa akin yan. So nagtanong sa isip ko, if we're listening to people who have corrupted minds, we will be corrupted no matter how important they are to us. Not everything that is good is righteous. Only what God says is righteous. Now, if your mentor is not a God-believing person, forget it. Nasisira na lang. Really, no matter how good they are, mas mabuti na yung simpleng tao na may takot sa Diyos at nakikita mo na ayos yung pamilya na yun ang sundo natin. Kahit walang pinag-aralan. So how do we respond? We go now to our text. Romans 13, 1 to 8. And this one, we really have to observe. We really have to think about this in the mind of Christ. Remember, the one who wrote this, Paul, St. Paul, siya po yung isa. Di ba, si Paul, nilagyan pa niya si Peter. Si Paul mo yung nakakuha talaga ng kaisipan ng Jesus. If you read the letters, he always, dahil wala mong ginagawa niya. He preaches the word, he preaches the kingdom of God, the mindset of Christ, and he shares his testimonies when he is in front of kings and leaders. Yun lang. Wala na ginagawa na. Ganun lang sa nabubuhay. And he's also a tent maker. Tent maker na unang panahon, ibig sabihin, hindi po siya swelduhan ng iglesia o ng kongregasyon nila. Siya po ay nagtatrabaho para suportahan ang misyon na ibinigay sa kanya ng Panginoon. Church was not like this before. As we know it. Hindi po. Lahat ng mga alagad ng Panginoon ay nagtatrabaho. Hindi po korporasyon o organisasyon ang church. It's a family. If we could change everything just to go back to the time when it was really God. Who was God? Ako. Okay, let's read this. Romans 13 verses 1 to 8. May sabay po tayo. Ano ba? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Everyone must submit to governing authorities. All authority comes from God. All constitution will be placed with God. So anyone who rebels against authority is rebelling against God. But God is will be punished.
Okay. Muna tayo. So, lahat po ng authorities, lahat ng governments in this world, okay? Balik tayo sa one. Everyone must submit, for all authority comes. Sabi na comes. All authority comes from God. He has the power to put kings in position and take them out. Kung nakita niyo sa history ng Israel, naglalagay siya ng mga hari upang ito ang maging hudya kung ano ang pulso at isip ng mga tao. I remember when President Erap was sitting in Malacanang. Okay? And I said, why did people in the Philippines vote for Erap? I like Erap, okay? But not to vote in his president. Okay? And kasi, my dad works for GSIS before. So when my dad would come home, lagi siyang may process. Because yung daddy ni Erap, sa kanya kumukuha ng pension. So every time the senior Erap would come, may kalusang process. Yung mga movie ni Joseph. So, I prayed and I asked him, why? No, the Lord placed in my heart. Look at Islam. What do we know about that? Alam lang natin. Mga Islam. Ba? Siguro, ano ba? Ha? Sindero. Puro sindero. Ano ba? Actor. Ano ba? What's the mayor? I like what he did. Started as from the bottom going. Patience here. There is one thing. Siguro. Siguro. Ayun. Ako. Sino na yun? Sino na yun? Tayo ang mga Pilipino. Diba siguro tayo? Marami sa atin, hindi ba ako ng baraka? O pitsa ng nadyo. Pero isinusugan natin ang buhay natin. Kasi hindi na tayo naniniwala sa kasigurahan. Naniniwala tayo sa diskarte. Wala kasi guluhan ng diskarte. Siguro, pagkaero, wala yung mga Pilipino. Kasingero. Wala sin. God put him there to show us, mga Pilipino, tinutok kayo eh.